It's very hard to understand why people choose to go into old master collecting. It takes thought, it takes intelligence, it takes knowledge. You don't just see something on the wall and go, oh, I'll have that, it will go with my couch.
I think the wonderful part of the story of Jimmy Younger as a collector is the way internally it connects to itself. The drawings, the paintings, there's clearly a thought behind what he was buying, why he was buying it, really wonderful things that are great examples of their type. Sotheby's is really pleased to present the collection of Jimmy Younger. It's a very personal collection, stretching from the Renaissance through to the Baroque. He's one of the most unique collectors that I've met in old master paintings. A pure Texan, had an incredible drawl, a great sense of humor.
One day I came to visit him in this marvelous house filled with these incredible paintings, and he came down the stairs, no shirt on. Hey, George, how you doing? And so that just says it all about him. He was just very relaxed, a little crazy, wonderful. At the same time, he was obviously super scholarly because the work he did to figure out what he wanted to buy and the paintings that are in this collection are all serious. They're all interesting. They're all different.
He kind of represents that anybody with work, with intelligence, and with effort can find this a rewarding and exciting area to collect. One thing that I love about the collection is that very often you see paintings as well as drawings by the same artist. For example, this wonderful painting I'm sitting next to by Luca Giordano, there's also a fantastic drawing by the same artist in the collection. I think he liked making these kind of connections.
One of the most wonderful objects in the sale is by Cornelius van Haarlem, who's a Mannerist painter, late 16th century. It's on paper, but it's in oil, an unfinished half painting, half drawing, which is so exciting and so beautiful. So it shows you how the artist worked. The drawing and pencil, the painting, the colors, areas where there are no color. It just shows you how something was created. Jimmy has a marvelous picture by an artist called Domenico Puligo and a Jacopino del Conti, who are both in that same tradition as Del Sarto and Fra Bartolomeo, early to mid 16th century. Beautiful pictures.
There are a great array of classic Baroque paintings by some of the most important painters. We have a wonderful work of the Magdalene by Guercino, an early work painted in this silvery kind of tonality, which is my favorite period of this artist. But the picture that speaks the most to me in terms of the paintings is a wonderful study of a bearded saint by Guido Reni. His own biographer noted Guido's amazing ability to create effetti or effects with this lively brushwork. And you'd see here in the beard, in the tousled hair, a much more open application of paint. It creates a vitality and a tenderness that you don't always see in all of his paintings. Collecting old masters in a really serious way takes more of a commitment for a new collector. And Jimmy was really undaunted in his pursuit of learning how to become a great connoisseur, of understanding condition of a painting and drawing, and learning what to buy and what not to buy.
It's a mindset. It's a way of thinking. A lot of collectors say, I never thought I could buy one of those. I never thought. And they can.